Meanwhile, the Medical Association of Jamaica (MAJ) says wearing masks and gloves in public will not offer full protection from the coronavirus. TVJ's Shamila Pullen picks up that story.
Jamaicans scared by the novel coronavirus have been seen in downtown Kingston wearing masks and gloves to protect themselves. But President of the Medical Association of Jamaica, MAJ, Dr. Andrew Manning, says that is unnecessary.
Recently in Kingston, there were pictures of persons wearing masks, interviewing people, going from place to place. Now that's a problem, because if I wear the mask and I'm in the presence of somebody who has the virus and I keep on the mask and the glove and the gown and go around, I'll end up spreading the virus.
He says masks and gloves do not fully protect anyone from contracting the virus. However, he said if people want to wear them, they should be worn only when coming in close proximity to someone who is infected.
And that's within 3 feet, all right, because it's spread by droplets and by secretions, which may be on the person or maybe left around the place. So if you're in proximity to that person, you'd want to wear the mask and the gown and the gloves, and then after you leave the vicinity of that person, you want to take off the mask and the gown and the gloves and dispose it properly.
Meanwhile, there is currently no vaccine to prevent the virus. But Dr. Manning says efforts are now being made to develop confirmatory tests.
Tests have been developed in China, okay, and they have shared their information with the international agencies to try and develop definitive tests, laboratory tests, that can be used at a local level.
He said for now, persons should practice good hygiene by washing hands properly, avoiding close contact with people who are sick, covering the mouth and nose with a tissue when coughing or sneezing, then throw the tissue in the trash, and clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.